Welcome to this demo video, how to navigate the database of the Etalons. For this purpose, I have scanned the blood cells. And as an example, I want to research the Etalon database if there are possibilities to measure pH. And to do this, I click Etalons, and you see already have done it. And in the search box on the left top, I type in pH. And of course, everything with a pH, like phytotherapy, will come up, but you can scroll with back and next to the next one. And that is how I navigate the environment of the Etalons. And then you see here, I was clicking and not paying attention, but if I go back here, I see three issues I really like, and that's the determinant of the degree of acidity, alkalinity, and the degree of congestion in the lymphatic system. Because with acidity, usually the lymph is also not really flowing well. I'm going further next and scrolling down. Oh, I saw blood, lymph. Let's go back. Here, blood, lymph, skin. If you're interested, but I see on the right side, it's not much adding to it. So I go to next, and I see lymphatic system and go on. And until I reach the end. And the nice thing about scrolling like this is sometimes you see an item you are really interested in and never saw before. So it's nice. It's a nice way to navigate the database. Well, the pH, I scrolled over everywhere, and now I want to see if there's something with acidity or acid. And then I scroll the database again, and then I see amino acid indicators. This moment, the acidity comes back, the alkalinity comes back. Then I go further, and same here. Oh, and then I see here acid alkaline balance, and I check this box. As you see, I have been searching and checking boxes here before. And when you're done with your research, you go to exit, and then it should be added to your test environment. And as you can see here, here's the acid alkaline balance. And when I go up somewhere here, I know down here, here's the determining of degree of acidity and alkalinity. Well, let's say I want to research the blood. And in this part of the database, you have to say show all. And I adjust everything. And then I see tissue faintly alkaline reaction. So at this moment, the blood has a faintly alkaline reaction. I must say, I don't know if it is possible to have an in vivo pH measurement because I think it is very, very dynamic, and our body to keep our homeostasis is constantly excreting our saliva, sweat, urine, our feces to keep the stable balance of pH in our blood. But sometimes you just want to see if somebody may be acidic or has too much acids in their blood. And then you can recommend food that has an alkaline effect on the body. So this was a demonstration how to navigate the database of the etalons with, as example, the pH or the alkaline or acidity measurements. And thank you for watching.